What is abyssal hills? What is abyssal hills? You have seen that on the ocean floor, in the middle of the part of the ocean, there is a chain of mountain range, and on both the side there is an abyssal plain. On this abyssal plain, some rise and hills are there, whose height can be around 1000 meter. Around 1000. I said that around, or better to say about 1000 meter. If the height is around about 1000 meter, it is known as a abyssal hills. And this side is deepest part of the ocean, oceanic trench. So it lies between oceanic trench and oceanic ridge. If the height of this abyssal hills is little higher, means more than 1000 meter, it is known as sea mount. So those abyssal hills whose height is more than 1000 meter, it is known as sea mount. And if this sea mount more than 1000 meter, its upper surface is broken. Its upper surface is, what I said, that broken, and it is looking like flat. It is looking like flat top, and its also height is more than 1000 meter. This flat top is known as geode. It is known as geode, and this peak like but 1000 meter height more, it is known as sea mount. So geode, sea mount and abyssal hills. Abyssal hills is around 1000 meter, not more than that. But sea mount, those abyssal hills height is more than 1000 meter sea mount, and if the sea mount top is flat, it is known as geode. Here we can see that here you can see some abyssal hills in that region, and this in that region abyssal hills are like, you can say that small abyssal hills are there, yes, which are not visible, but it is the deeper part of the ocean. And then if the height is more, it is known as sea mount, and here you can say that it is a flat top, it is known as geode. Here it is abyssal hills and all, yes, here. So we can say that abyssal hills, the part of the ocean floor consisting of hills rising as much as 1000 meter above the surrounding floor. So it is around 1000 meter, it is abyssal hills. They are found seaward, means toward the sea, from the oceanic ridge toward the sea. Most abyssal plains and occur in profusion. Profusion means lots of, and in basins is isolated from the continent. It is this abyssal is not, and how it is detached. In the middle there is a ridges, and on the side of the continent there is a trenches, deepest part of the ocean. So it is a dividing between them. So we have seen about what is abyssal hills, lies between one side trench, another side is ridge. In between along the abyssal plain, there we can see there is an abyssal hills. And remember that abyssal hills and abyssal plain together known as abyssal floor. I think it is clear to you.